You are going to love 2016 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.